Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study the callback function in jQuery. A callback function is executed after the current effect is 100% finished. JavaScript statements are executed line by line. However, with effects, the next line of code can be run even though the effect is not finished. This can create errors. To prevent this, you can create a callback function. A callback function is executed after the current effect is finished. Here, this is the syntax for callback function. First dollar, then selector dot any method name. Then inside parameter, you can pass speed and callback function. So in this syntax, this callback function will be executed after this method will be completed. Let's see the example for the callback function. Here in this example, we have paragraph tag and content inside this paragraph tag, and we have also a button. Okay, so whenever we will click on this button dot click function, at that time we are using hide method for this paragraph tag $p dot hide, and we are passing speed slow, and then we are creating callback function and we are applying alert here. Okay, so after hiding this paragraph tag, this callback function will be executed. Let's see the output. Hide, and this is callback function. Okay, you can also apply any other effect. Paragraph selector dot show, and we are passing it's fast. Okay, so after hiding this paragraph tag, show effect will be executed. Let's see the output. Hide, show. Okay, so this is the callback function. Here inside the callback function, you can also pass another callback function. P dot let's hide it again. Hide fast. Okay, and change it here slow. Okay, let's refresh the browser and click on this button. Hide, show, and hide. Okay, so this is very simple. The main funda behind this callback function is this callback function is executed only after one effect is finished.